Whoa, steady now! Hold the line!
Good boy, such thick fur. Let me check your harness.
Let's check them.
This one's fur is matted.
Gently now.
Good boy.
Come on. Up you get.
I'm trying. It's so cold. I've got you. Lean on me.
Easy now. I've got you.
Thanks. Almost there.
The ropes are frozen! Hurry!
I can't feel my hands!
The sled's broken. We must fix it now.
Easy, dogs. Stay calm.
Hold this steady. I'll pull the rope.
The wood is cracking. Be careful.
Hold them steady! Ropes are freezing!
I have them securing the harnesses!
Good! They're calming down now!
Almost done! One last pull!
We're safe now.
Yes, home at last.
Rest, my friends.